In this video, I'll show you how to fix a parent or guardian must set up your Microsoft account, ask them to sign in to continue error on your Microsoft account creation. So if you're stuck and can't continue, keep watching till the end. To fix this, first of all, open any browser on your device and type outlook.com in the address bar, then press enter. Now tap on sign in. Now tap on create one to start creating a new account. Here, enter the name you want to use as your email address. You don't need to type outlook.com because it's already selected automatically. Just enter your preferred name, and if it's already taken, add some numbers to make it unique. Then tap on next, then enter your password, and once you're done, click on next to proceed. Now choose your country, then enter your date of birth. Keep in mind, you must be 18 or older to use multiplayer in Minecraft, so make sure you enter your age correctly. Then click on next again. Next, type your name and tap next to continue. Then, on the verification page, press and hold the bar until the process is complete. Now your Microsoft account has been created successfully without any errors like get help from your parents. Next, open Minecraft and log in with your new account. If you don't know how to log in, you can check the video linked in the description. If you're still facing any issues, feel free to comment below. I'll try to help you out. So, that's how you can fix a parent or guardian must sign in to set up your Microsoft account problem. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.